Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be writing titles for about 3 minutes in different ways. And in the video you will see my terrible camera positioning, except for the main section, which my mum recorded, so thank you to her. As you can see here, I didn't put the camera in the right place. But yeah, this is how I sort of write titles for my notes, or just in general, you know, just when you want to write a title. And I can't draw straight lines apparently, but that's fine because you get the general idea. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to show you quite a few titles, and I hope you like them. The first one's going to be my favourite title, which you begin by just writing title, quite simple, and then you go through it and you add some lines in black pen to sort of make it stand out a bit, make it a little more interesting rather than just saying title. And then you draw 2 black lines out from the side to add a little more jazz to it. The next one's quite similar. You start it the same way, but the lines are in highlighter and you go over them with black pen, and then instead of writing in the outlines, you write joined up. And as you can see, my joined up writing isn't amazing, so I don't use this one as much, but I'm sure you guys can make it look nicer. In the next one, you write title in black pen rather than highlighter, being very different, very interesting here. And you go over it in highlighter. As you can see, these all involve the highlighter. It's legendary. And then lines outside again. You don't have to do those. I just like doing those. And then writing title in black pen again. Wow, but joined up. Terribly, but that's fine because it looks cute. Aside from the fact the lines aren't straight again. And then 2 lines with highlighter, and then you go over it and you write title in capital letters. Very simple, very easy, and this is the one that I use on my revision cards because I'm quite lazy with my revision cards. And I add little dots to make it look more interesting. And then the next one, writing title again in black pen. It's quite small, but then I'm underlining it. Very simple, but once again, looks cute. And then I write title again. I am getting bored of saying title. And then I put it in a box. And then to add a little more jazz to the box, I made it 3D. But then I realised that made it look worse. So maybe don't do that next time. Or when you're doing it, don't make the box 3D. Unless you like it. And there's a smiley face. Or, if you're lazy, you could just write title and underline it. And my terrible camera positioning is back. We just love that. Looks amazing. Title, underlined, amazing. So yes, if you enjoyed, make sure to like. Oh dear, that comment. Any ideas? Why not? And subscribe. Very the basics, the stuff that everyone says to do, and then draw a smiley face. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.